Hey guys, in this video I am doing an unpacking and quick review of the cheap Lavalier mic. So guys, I bought this product from Amazon of rupees 170. Right now you are hearing my voice from this mic only. So guys, you can see the package is so simple. We got only one mic and its filter cover. The length of this wire is 3 feet. And also guys, I'm not expecting for this price. The material quality of this product is impressive. It's like metal. The clip also like metal. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys in the next video.